Welcome. If you want to disconnect AirPods Pro from your iPhone 12 Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings, then tap on the Bluetooth, and right now open charging case. Okay, right now they are connected. I don't know what was this notification. It was like some kind of debug because I just connect this AirPods, as you can see, and the status changed from not connected to connected. So as you can see, even in the iOS some kind of debugs happens, but never mind. Let's click off the icon of our AirPods. Then we have to scroll down all the way down and click to forget this device. Click second time, and right now we can close case, open it one more time, and after that we'll be able to pair our AirPods again. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.